Balancing acts when AI, cloud, and CS collide, and why that's a good thing. Alright folks, gather round the digital water cooler. Today we're diving into a topic that's less about proving PNP, though hey, wouldn't that be nice? And more about navigating the sprawling, chaotic landscape of skills that tech demands these days. Buckle up, because we're talking AI, cloud computing, and good old-fashioned computer science. The unholy trinity of things you should probably learn if you want to, be relevant in the next decade. The problem with trifectas, and why this one matters. Anyone who's ever tried juggling flaming chainsaws while riding a unicycle knows that mastering multiple complex things at once is, well, tricky. But here's the rub. We're living in a world where AI is rapidly becoming as fundamental as electricity, where the cloud is the new data center, and where CS. Well, CS is still the bedrock upon which this entire digital circus is built. So, how do we even begin to approach this trifecta without pulling a metaphorical hamstring? Step 1. Acknowledge the elephant, and the algorithm, and the server farm. Let's be clear. Each of these areas is a universe unto itself. Computer science. It's the OG, the foundational discipline. Algorithms, data structures, the theory of computation. It's the difference between blindly throwing code at a problem and understanding the problem at a fundamental level. Cloud computing. This is where the rubber meets the road, or perhaps where the data meets the virtual machine. Knowing your way around AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud isn't just a nice-to-have anymore. It's essential for building scalable, cost-effective systems. AI, and the artistry of prompt engineering. Artificial intelligence, the field that simultaneously fills us with wonder and existential dread. And at the heart of it all is the surprisingly nuanced art of prompt engineering, crafting the perfect query to coax magic, or at least a coherent response, from our LLM overlords. Step 2. It's not about or, it's about and. The good news is, these fields aren't mutually exclusive. In fact, they play together beautifully if you know how to orchestrate them. Think of AI as both a tool and a domain. Cloud platforms are overflowing with AI/ML services, ripe for the picking if you know how to use them. Cue the prompt engineering skills. And let's not forget that AI algorithms themselves are built on CS principles. See the cloud as your playground. Want to build an AI-powered web app? Deploy a massive data processing pipeline? The cloud provides the infrastructure, and your CS and prompt crafting skills let you build the magic on top. Step 3. The roadmap to multi-skilled Nirvana, or at least not falling behind. Get specific. What's your goal? Do you want to be a machine learning engineer building the next GPT-4? A cloud architect designing AI-powered systems? Figure out your niche, then tailor your learning accordingly. Embrace the intersections. Take a project-based approach. Want to learn cloud computing? Build an AI chatbot and deploy it. Interested in prompt engineering? Use it to automate tasks within a cloud environment. Find the overlaps and you'll learn exponentially faster. Never stop iterating and learning. Let's face it, in the tech world, yesterday's groundbreaking innovation is today's dusty textbook example. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and never underestimate the power of a well-crafted Google query, or, a conversation with a particularly insightful LLM. The future belongs to those who can bridge disciplines, who can wield the tools of AI, navigate the complexities of the cloud, and ground it all in a deep understanding of computational principles. So, go forth, intrepid learners, And may your code compile, your prompts be insightful, and your cloud bills be surprisingly reasonable. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a particularly intriguing cloud migration tutorial. Wish me luck. Cheers, Michael.